Hey, Mackenzie Siennacy here with a life hack for crabgrass. Dun, 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 dun. Who likes crabgrass? Nobody. I hate crabgrass. I have a wonderful flower garden. Mucho flowers, adore it. Wonderful pollinators, butterflies, bumblebees, hummingbirds, sphinx moths. It's really nice in the summer. But I also have crabgrass. And I have discovered a life hack that my mom taught me. Now, I've got 2 day jobs and no time for crabgrass, but I don't want to use poison because I don't want to poison the pollinators or my neighbor's pets. I don't use it in my yard. And I do as much as I can by hand. And my mom taught me that if you bring a pair of garden scissors with you when you pull out the crabgrass, you can then also cut the ones you can't reach, cut below the surface of the soil, and you can cut all those roots. But I'm taking it one step further, Mom. Garden tool, butcher knife for around the border. So around the border, I have a big 20-foot garden. I've got stones set up, and the crabgrass continues to grow under the stones and over the stones. And what I do is I take this butcher knife, the handy-dandy garden tool, and I chop at an angle, and you can hear the crunch of the roots. Oh, it's so satisfying. It's like therapy, the crunch of crabgrass roots. Everyone should try it. You can hear the crunch of the roots. And I cut several inches around, and I cut as many of the roots as I can get, just chop, chop, chop. And it's something that you can do as you routinely weed the crabgrass too. If you do it thoroughly around the whole border, it'll last a couple months, I think. In any case, I take my butcher knife with me now, and if there's a piece I can't get, chop, chop, chop. Now, occasionally you're going to need to sharpen your knife, and one thing I want to remind people, okay, here's my kitchen sharpener. I'm not going to use that on my garden knife. Just remember, if you're going to use a garden tool like this, that when you sharpen it, you're going to need to use a sharpener that is with your lawn tools, not your kitchen tools. And that's my life hack for crabgrass. I hope it works for you. It really makes me happy, and it's great therapy to hear that crunch, crunch, crunch. I have one other thing. I'm new on the guitar. I just learned how to play the guitar, and I recorded Miranda Lambert's. I did a cover song of her Tin Man, that great song. Give a listen. See what you think. Thanks. Bye.